Yes, so as I said, that modernization should be done, and that is a very important thing. As I said, so there are some suggested recommendations. As I said, promoting the coastal shipping of bulk commodities like coal, and there must be setting up of coastal clusters for bulk commodities like cement, especially, and steel. Okay, and you must provide last mile connectivity of ports with national highways and railway. So national highways and railway connectivity should be there with the major ports and the minor ports. Okay, and you must establish new transshipment port, which where you can transfer the cargo from one ship to another, and creating dedicated coastal berth ports for coastal shipping is also given as a suggestion. And you must also, there is a suggestion of setting up storage capacity. Yes, storage capacity is very important at the origin destination ports to shorten the turn around time, because the time spent is done a lot because of this shortage of origin capacities of original storage capacities in the major original ports. Okay, so the national Sagarmala apex committee has been created for this, and it is called as NSAC, that is the National Sagarmala apex or apex committee. Okay, and this is basically done for overall policy guidance and high level coordination, and that is why they have created a body and committee to look, and this committee is also looking into the various aspects of planning and implementation of plan and projects also. So let us see the 6 mega ports which are under this project. So 6 mega ports are planned under Sagarmala project. Okay, so the first state is Kerala. The place is Vizhinjam. The port is also International Sea Port. Okay, coming to the next one is Tamil Nadu. The place is Kolachal. So Kolachal Sea Port. Third is Maharashtra. The name is Vadavan, or now it is near Dahanu. Okay, and the port name is Vadavan Port. Okay, let me drop this. Let's continue with the fourth one. So the fourth one is Karnataka state, and the place is Taradi, and it is in the Taradi port. Yes, coming to the next one, that is Andhra Pradesh. So it is Machilipatnam, and the port is also Machilipatnam port. Yes, talking about West Bengal, the Sagar Island, and the port name is also the Sagar Island port. So these are the major 6 mega ports which I told you also, which is there in this, and this is all the achievement which we have for today for the port sector. Okay, we will also talk about the energy and the power sector tomorrow's class, and we will also see more in details about, because as I said, we have spoken about infrastructure, we have spoken about roads, civil, we have spoken about railways, we have spoken about telecommunication, then I spoke about port industry, and yes, now I will talk about is the next, as I said, is energy and power sector and what are the government policies in support for the energy sector. So this is also been, so once we finish this, we are done with the entire infrastructure. Whatever has been discussed is all about the infrastructure which you need to know and which you need to study for your upcoming examinations. So I'll see you soon in the next class. Thank you so much.